Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over a handful of different ways that you can charge your Google Pixel Watch. So I'm going to start off with the way that I charge. So I take the charger, put the Pixel Watch on it, and then the USB Type-C I put into one of these wall chargers. Now, this is one that I actually got for free with my phone. A lot of you guys probably have phone charger adapters that probably have USB Type-C in them, so that's one way that you can go about charging it. But I also purchased a wall adapter. This one has a couple of USB Type-Cs and a USB Type-A, but we take this and plug it into one of the USB Type-C. And then, of course, the other end we're going to plug into the wall. And once you do that, you should get this icon where it's showing you that your watch is charging. If you're looking to get one of these wall adapters for yourself, I'll have links posted down in the description if you'd like to check them out for yourself over on Amazon. But some additional options that you'll also have to charge your Pixel Watch that you might not think of is the USB Type-C. It can actually plug into the USB Type-C port that you might have on your phone itself. So I can plug this into my phone and that will take charge from my phone and put it into the Pixel Watch. You might also have a tablet or a laptop, for instance, that has USB Type-C. Also, a lot of cars nowadays have USB Type-C ports that you can plug into, and you can use that to charge your Pixel Watch. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through a handful of different ways that you can go about charging your Pixel Watch. And again, some free options that you might have just lying around is an adapter that perhaps you've gotten with your phone. Being able to plug into an electronic device such as your phone, a tablet, or a laptop that has a USB Type-C port in it that you can plug into. But again, the way that I go about charging is using one of these wall adapters, plugging in that USB Type-C port into them, and then plugging it into the wall. And that has been working out pretty well for me. And if you're looking to purchase a wall adapter for yourself, I'll have links posted down in the description. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.